That the meeting, the businesses that those people bring, the collaborators, since he seems to have a lot of information, it is laughable.
Ogama don bura madi CP Rigathi Gachagua owuok tung mosuo kod ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga mokoni tiyo marach kod johera mage motiyo gode donje sirikal. Rigathi oloso California kama okoni Odinga ok rang dwach jokanyo mamiye sir omedo ni kinde osechopo kendo jok ma osebedo ka moro Raila Odinga kod William Ruto koro osetang' ma ok nomigi sir e yiero mabiro.
And let me tell you, this cousin movement is the greatest thing to have ever happened in Kenya, because our cousins have been misused by Raila for a long time. Long time. Every election cycle, he has been mobilizing my cousins from the Mlembe Nation, from the Kamba Nation, from the Luya Nation, from the Kisi Nation, from the Mijikenda Nation, from the Taita Nation, and mobilizing all those cousins and cheating them that he's taking them to Canaan. And because people love Canaan, my cousins fell for it for many years. The minute he gets there, he doesn't intend to be president. He has no such intention. He's not interested. He likes power, but with no responsibility. He doesn't want to take responsibility. So he creates